So today I'm going to show you how to use Tripit.com to track your travel itineraries and make the whole experience quite a bit easier. If you see here, I'm logged into Tripit.com. It's showing me my name, shows I've traveled to a couple different locations. Essentially what Tripit does is it allows you to automatically import itineraries for flights, hotels, transportation, anything like that into this site, and then it syncs up to a clever Android app on your phone so that as you're traveling you can just quickly recall all the details of your trip in one place without having to go back and search through your emails or anything like that. So you can see here you can actually manually add a trip, but the easiest way to do this, if you see here, I'm going to Chicago this week, so you can see I've got my itinerary here, and all I have to do once I've set up Tripit is forward an email to plans@tripit.com. So when I get this, itinerary back for my flight from JetBlue in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and say, okay, let's forward that over. So I'm going to find the right one here. Here we go. Click send, and it's actually going to pretty quickly usually pick that up here and add it into Tripit. So here you go, see? And I've also got this notification to my email that they found it and associated it. So now you can see that I have my Chicago trip showing. And actually I kind of screwed up here. I sent in the wrong itinerary. This was actually for Janice earlier in the week. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that out and go back and find the right email. So let's see here. Should be this guy here. Okay. So let's forward him in instead of whatever I did a minute ago. So sending that itinerary back in, Tripit should pick it up. And there we go. So now when I click on this on Tripit, you can see the details of the flight, the confirmation number. You can actually even do online check-in, which is awesome. You can check your flight status, all kinds of stuff. It shows you your expected arrival time, a map of where you're going to go, as well as the weather. And here you can see this is my return flight. So next what we're going to do is go in here and add in, if I can find my hotel reservation, which I actually had made via Priceline. I'm going to show you this as an example because it's Janice is already up in Chicago, so it's already we've already been checked in and everything. So in reality, I wouldn't have to do this, but I'm just going to send this in as an example. So same thing, going to send it into plans@tripit.com. And now if I refresh, if it picks it up for me, here we go. So now you'll see that it's already picked up my hotel reservations as well as all of those details. So it's pretty fantastic little product here. I'm going to see if I can find Tripit Android screenshots. Still looking for a way to actually run screenshots off of Android. I haven't looked into that yet. So once I do, maybe I can start showing those. But here you go. This is a perfect example. This is kind of what it would look like on your phone. So it pulls all those details in for you, and it's just right there for recall when you need it. Of course, it's good to have redundancy, so I always have this stuff backed up on my Gmail as well as Evernote. But it's just a real quick way to be able to pull this information up while you're at the airport or at the check-in desk at a hotel, and not have to go, going back through your emails and trying to find all that information. So Gmail also has an auto watch feature, which I didn't use in this case, but you can actually set it up to, as you make these reservations, to automatically have them forwarded into Tripit. So that's a great feature as well. Hope this helps.